Like at this big giant thing.
Wind turbine. What are you talking about inside?
No, I feel fine. It was just the screw on this side was
Weird.
Let's just say I would call that a bitch.
Alright, if I mess up this rotation, then
The screw going the or the airflow is correct.
Yeah, sure. I trust it.
Okay. Is it going down or up? Is it sucking air or is it blowing? Do you know?
I think the default orientation it blows down.
Blows down. Okay.
Yeah. And that's the. Oh, I just looked it up. Wait, where's this thing? I need this thing. Basically, this is what your motherboard technically should look like. It's a little cluttered, but you know. Mini ITX for you guys.
Okay, so put this
And then, my case.
Yeah.
But I have to unplug this part. Oh, I also need my. I need to open. That's what I need to do. I need to open up my power supply actually. So this is empty. I don't need this anymore. Trash. Ugh. Probably keep this.
So what's this? Original thermal grizzly. Verified coding. Okay.
Product registration.
Sure. For
Yeah.
thermal base?
Why not?
Give them all my information.
Nah. I bought it exactly on this turn.
Okay. There's that. That's definitely. I know I also have this one too. It's pretty cool.
Oh, you don't want to use that?
No, I don't know. I wanted to use
Yeah.
a little better quality one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, who knows what decals get their thermal base going?
Yeah, I didn't really see much as far as reviews or information on their coolers. I was like, let's use this box.
That is, you're right. Take my shit. Alright, throw this in here.
Okay. And then we can eat some chicken wings. Or
Yeah.
chicken nuggets.
Nuggies, they're all the same.
Yeah.
It's chicken something.
And then we can stick these bad boys on the cases.
What the frick?
Yeah. The ends and stuff are that way, so I'm going to have to route the cable. Oh, what are those? I don't know what those things are for.
Could be your front rail pins. Probably. What does it say here? USB 3 header, a SATA. Oh no, these are your front arrows. I don't know what
Front, yeah, front panel audio headers.
Oh, okay.
17.
Yeah.
Vehicle audio.
I was close.
Yeah, you were. CPU thing. Alright. Oh wait, I need to also get my little fan split. Okay.
Yeah, I like my cooler.
Yeah, you like that one?
Yeah.
Good. I like mine too.
What the hell?
Sorry, 2 hours though.
Yeah, we said it would take 2 hours. JK takes a bit. That's okay though.
We haven't even started cable in here.
It's okay. It's alright. I don't care. I was prepared to spend literally the whole day.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna cut the video here. I can't really know. I don't know where I am in the shot, but that's okay. I'm gonna cut the video here because Corey and I are gonna have lunch, dinner, whatever this is, and I'll see you guys in whatever part the title says. See ya. Peace.